Hey everybody, it's Justin from Destination Kia. Well, I'm all ready to get out of the car, and as you can see, I've already double checked and made sure I'm not forgetting anything in the back. Does your vehicle give you a warning when you may have forgotten something in the back? Do you primarily travel alone? Would you like to turn it off? Well, check it out. It's nice and simple. All you've got to do, on the center screen of your vehicle, you're going to swipe over one time, touch Setup. All the way to the left, you're going to touch Vehicle, and you're going to scroll down to Convenience Features. The very first option that you see on the screen, Rear Occupant Alert, has got a little checkbox next to it, and if you click that, you'll no longer be warned to check the back seat, whether or not you've got a sonar sensor to detect things back there, or if you've just got a reminder based on the fact that you've opened the door. So there you go. No more reminders that you don't need. Get on down here to Destination Kia. We got plenty more tips to teach you. Can't wait to see ya.